Hi, good morning. Thank you for joining me. You are on Trail with Tanya, and today I am out at Government Canyon State Natural Area, which is located right here in my very own city of San Antonio, Texas. Today we are hiking the Lytle Loop, which is located in the front country of Government Canyon State Natural Area. There are two loops in the front country. There's the Lytle Loop and there's the Savannah Loop. I want to say the Lytle Loop clocks in just under 5 miles and the Savannah Loop under 3 miles. And today we opted for a 5-miler. The front country is the only section of the park that allows dogs, so today I'm out here hiking with Duncan. The Lytle Loop is considered to be an easy trail. It's relatively flat, very easy to navigate. The terrain is more like a smooth dirt jeep path. So it is an excellent hike if you are a beginner hiker, or maybe you want to do some trail running, or if you're a beginner mountain biker. The Lytle Loop is the perfect place to come out here and get your legs under you and enjoy some nature. Or maybe you're like Duncan and I today and you just want to come out for a nice easy breezy hike Sunday morning. This completes our hike out at Government Canyon State Natural Area this morning. We completed the Lytle Loop, and according to my fitness tracker, which is a Fitbit, it was 4.4 miles. Of course, every fitness tracker is a little bit different. We completed the hike in about 2 hours. It is considered to be a very easy hike. The terrain is super flat, looks more like a Jeep trail, so it's a great beginner hike or even a beginner mountain biking trail. I think that you'll enjoy it out here at the front country. It is a beautiful, peaceful place to come and enjoy nature. So thank you so much for joining me on Trail with Tanya. Until next time, love, light, and happy hiking.